How to change the screen timeout in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how long your screen stays on before it turns off automatically. First, click the Start button at the bottom left of your taskbar and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Power and Sleep on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see two options under the Screen section. The first one controls how long the screen stays on when your PC is running on battery, and the second controls it when plugged in. From here, click the drop-down next to whichever one you want to change and select a time from the list. Options range from 1 minute all the way up to 5 hours, or you can select Never if you don't want the screen to turn off at all. Once you've made your selection, the setting saves automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. That's how you change the screen timeout on Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.